Ayan, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lax Gaming again. So for today's video guys, it is all about the possible release date of Legend of Ymir and about the tokenomics. So as you can see here guys, meron na silang official website where you can register your email account yan, para maging updated tayo sa mga bagong updates for Legend of Ymir, kung kailan nga ba yung release date nila or magkakaroon na ba sila ng pre-registration. So for now, punta muna tayo about their tokenomics. So ang tokenomics ng game na to is umiikot lang within the Wemix and G-Wemix. So dalawa lang, no? Isang Wemix at isang G-Wemix. Ano nga ba yung G-Wemix? So, si G-Wemix ay token in-game kung saan mamimint natin siya using gold in-game. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, no? Gold yung gagamitin natin para makapag-mint ng tinatawag na G-Wemix. And yung G-Wemix naman, pwede natin i-exchange into Wemix token. Ayan, so parang ang magiging main tawag dito, main currency for this game is gold, no? Na pwede mong gamitin pang-enhance ng items and whatsoever. Ayan, so sana hindi masira agad yung community ng tokenomics nitong Legend of Ymir, no? Ayan, it's because isa lang yung token nila and sana hindi ma-abuse itong gold na to, no? Para makapag-mint ng G-Wemix. So, punta tayo sa main question. The main question is, one is the possible release date of Legend of Ymir. So, sa tingin ko na guys, dahil meron na silang nilabas about teaser and official website, pag nagkaroon sila ng pre-registration this coming August, I think possible release date nitong Legend of Ymir is this coming September or October. So, hindi na yan naabot ng next year, ano? Ayan, so, lagi nilang ginagawa yung ganitong tawag dito, paraan, no? Katulad nung ginawa nila sa Mirror and Nightcross. So, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope nakatulong sa inyo. So, yun lang. And thank you. Bye-bye.